Hi! Today we're going to take a look at how to add and remove tax rates within the platform. So usually as a business, you would have maybe two options. So you can set a default VAT at whatever percentage that you need and a option for no VAT if that applies to you as a business. So how do we do this within the platform? First, you would need to head to configuration, and on the left hand side you would need to scroll down to payments. So here we currently have two different tax rates created. So we have a default VAT which is set at 21%, so that is the one that will apply to the payments as a default, and then we also have the option here for a 0%. You can always add another if that applies, so I'll just show you how to do that. You can put the name, so we're going to create one for 7%, and then you put the numerical value there, and if you click on add, it's as easy as that. You can create as many as you need, and as I said, we have the default one as 21% at the moment, but you can change that, no problem. If, say, we wanted the default tax rate to be 0%, because that's what interests you as a business, then simply by clicking on the edit option, you can select default on the new one that we want, and there you go, that has been changed. Now, you also have the option to change the tax rate for a specific payment. So if, for example, we go to the Students tab and select a student, we're going to go for James, for example. If we wanted to register a new payment, so say a payment for an event, we can select any of these events. And within Show Advanced Options, you have the option to change the VAT. So any tax rate that you have created within configuration will appear here. And as we change the default to be 0%, that's the one that's going to always appear first. But you can change that if you want for this particular payment. So, for example, this one-time payment of the £20 that this student owes, we're going to have a 7% tax rate. So when you create that, it will create with that 7%, but just for this payment. It won't repeat again. And that's it. It's as easy as that. Thank you.